Welcome to this unboxing and detailed overview of the DongCheng Heat Gun DBQ2000, a powerful and versatile tool built for professionals and DIY users alike. Right out of the box, you're greeted with the DongCheng DBQ2000 Heat Gun itself, sleek, solid, and well-built. Alongside the heat gun, you'll find a user manual for safety guidelines and instructions, and depending on the kit, you may also get interchangeable nozzle attachments for specific applications. Now, let's take a closer look at each part and its function. 1. The main body. Crafted with heat-resistant, durable plastic, the body of the DBQ2000 is designed for comfort and long-lasting use. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it easy to control during prolonged tasks. 2. The nozzle. At the front, you'll find the high-temperature metal nozzle which focuses and directs the hot airflow. This is the heart of the heat application process, perfect for paint removal, softening adhesives, and more. 3. Dual temperature switch. Located on the handle is the dual temperature control switch. It lets you toggle between 450 degrees Celsius and 600 degrees Celsius, giving you flexibility to handle light-duty and heavy-duty jobs with precision. 4. 2-speed fan setting. Alongside the temperature control is the airflow speed setting. This feature allows you to choose between low and high fan speeds, adapting the tool to the requirements of each task, whether you need gentle heat or a blast of hot air. On the rear, you'll notice a foldable or fixed stand built into the housing. This allows you to place the heat gun down safely between uses or operate it in a hands-free vertical position, ideal for jobs that require two hands. Positioned at the back and sides, the air vents ensure proper airflow into the motor and prevent overheating, helping maintain performance and prolonging the tool's life. 7. Power cord. The DBQ2000 comes with a heavy-duty power cord, long enough to offer flexibility during operation, while still being durable enough to withstand workshop conditions. And that's everything in the box. The DongCheng DBQ2000 Heat Gun combines power, precision, and user-friendly features to give you a tool that's ready for any task, from home repairs to industrial use. Thanks for watching this unboxing and breakdown of the DBQ2000. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and tutorials. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click for more video notifications from gz-supplies.com. Thank you.